Nigel Ryan Jones.
Yes.
We need shoes. We're here at Payless today. And we need to find shoes that are really cheap. That we can then put Line-X on and make indestructible.
Indestructible.
Yes.
Okay.
Have at it.
Line-X.
I think we need to get something like these. Don't you think? Oh, they're Airwalks. It also has
Converse
to be something that,
wannabes.
maybe we should get slide-ons.
Perfect.
These.
Perfect.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Bing, bang, boop.
Okay.
Wait,
They're
did
gonna-
you even ask if they can Line-X shoes?
They can Line-X. Dude, they Line-X an egg.
That is true.
If they can't do shoes, I'm gonna be upset.
They can't do plastic.
I think it'll work. All right. Is this what we're going with?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Look at 8.5.
For what? Yourself?
Sure.
Special delivery. Special delivery. This is gonna be interesting.
These are our experts.
I hear you guys are the line experts.
We have our next challenge.
Got boots.
Really?
Like work boots, steel toe boots.
Steel toe, they
Wow. This is our indestructible shoe test. So we're gonna see how these Airwalks do with Line-X on them.
They'll spray the whole thing.
Yep. So what haven't you done? Or what's like the most interesting thing you have done?
They brought us a electric car.
Mm-hmm.
We sprayed a robot, man, for NASA.
Really?
Yeah, underwater
amazing.
robot.
Surprised Tesla hasn't come here for some stuff.
The soles of the shoes are gonna get real slick, I think, with Line-X on them.
Feel them already. What do you think, Nigel?
I
What
might
do
be
you
out
think?
on this one if it's gonna be slick. Not fun.
I think that sounds perfect. Let's get these shoes Line-X, indestructible shoes.
All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today with you in this mystery box.
I wonder what's inside.
They're called the
too.
Luke X.
Oh,
The what? Luke X?
Yeah, the Luke's Pro model.
Luke, come up in your pro model. Wait. What size are you?
Size 10.
Papa squat.
Congratulations, bro.
I'm happy for you, bro.
That's how you design them.
Yeah.
Can't leave it alone. Thank you. So this is the exclusive Luke Ike Payless Line-X shoe pro models.
I got a question though. How did they not spray the insole?
Dude, I have no idea.
Yep.
Oh, these
Superflex.
are harder to rip.
Yeah,
little-
I literally think we revolutionized skateboarding.
Actually, I think you're
If
right.
you Line-X your shoes, you'll never have to
Wait.
do it again.
What I'm saying is just
Line-X the tip.
just right here.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
yeah.
the tip of your shoe.
Who remembers? Leave it in the comments below. NTS Airwalks.
Oh yeah, throwback.
Still have them because
I
they
remember,
never wear out. Literally never. They have like 12 inches of rubber on the side of them.
Dude, they feel insane.
You know what I think of when I look at these? Dylan Reader.
Okay, pop them on.
These are
R.I.P.
They specifically warned us that if we Line-X the bottom of the shoe, it's going to be extremely slippery on the board.
That's why Luke
Great.
is here. I feel like bowling shoes. Ooh, I don't know if I can get my foot in.
Step your heel down. Like push your heel down.
What are you doing? Where'd you get these socks? Your shoehorn.
Oh yeah, there's a
How
hole
old are
there.
you?
Dude, I don't know.
Subscribe to Luke Ike's channel, everybody.
Go
No, I can't do this. I'm a size 8 too.
You can't. You're a size 8?
Yeah.
Oh no.
The idea is to put your foot in it. Oh, it hurts.
Cinderella.
It's Line-X shoes,
Loosen
dude.
them up.
Ow!
Not mine.
I'm barely gonna be able to get my foot in.
Oh shucks! I can't get my foot in. Oh dang it!
It's basically like wearing a constant steel toe boot.
This thing made of steel toe. Oh, okay. Ah, dude.
Carlos,
I'm like an amoeba. I took a
Fly AF. I pull out this box of Payless shoes at Mike's Trucks, and they go, "Oh, this isn't even weird." And I'm just like, "What?" Like, "Yeah, we do shoes all the time. Look, we've done it to my shoes."
Line-X
And
the
he fully
shoes.
has shoes on his, or Line-X on his shoes. Yeah.
The whole shoes.
No place like Line-X.
Kind of like Michael Jackson.
Every time somebody says something to us like that, I feel like it's like a personal challenge. Like
I
okay.
know, right?
Well, now
It's
we have
like,
to bring them the
now we need to
weirdest
bring
thing
them size
possible.
21. Line-X in clothes.
Line-X T-shirt.
That's right.
Could you?
Like a shirt. I'm sure we
you?
could. Yeah.
I'm sure you
I
could.
think
There's
it's
just so
too
many
hot.
ideas.
Nigel, can you Line-X a T-shirt?
Of course, you can Line-X anything.
Well, let's get to this video.
Oh, these hurt.
All right, let me try and put these on.
Those are solid. Oh.
Yeah, let's go, Troy. Ow! Ow! Oh! My feet are bleeding! There's no way. I can't even get my toes in that far. What size of shoes do you wear, Carlos? 8, 8.5. Go ahead, what size are you?
Guy in the place had these on. He was wearing these on his own. No, I know, but he had Line-X
on
They were
all
Line X
over
boots.
his shoes.
Line X boots.
Daniel would definitely wear these.
And Daniel was like super upset about that.
Can you imagine that dude putting on his boots every morning? He's like, he has to get up like 2 hours early just to put them on.
Did you get them on, Luke?
I did.
They do look pretty fresh.
Oh, those shoes, it just hurts to walk in.
What are those?
Oh, it is slippery.
It is?
Yeah.
How's it feel, Carlos?
Slippery.
First try, kick flip, Jamba Juice.
Okay. This is gonna be hard. I can really feel how slippery it's gonna be. Okay, I'll take mine to go.
We'll get him the teacup size.
Does it hurt?
Ooh, oh yeah. It's like poking at the top of my foot with the tongue. Like everything else is fine. Like it's flexing, you know.
Wait, I forgot one thing. First try.
It's like standing on a bar of soap.
If we sandpaper the bottom, maybe it'll be a little more grippy.
Play it where it lies.
Play it where it lies.
Sandpaper the no, grip tape on grip tape is not a good.
Yeah!
Everything I do is painful.
Welcome to my life. No?
Ever tell you that joke? What did the DJ name his son?
Scratch.
Eric. Dude, every trick is weird.
What is Bruce Lee's favorite drink?
What the Oh, man. You know, it's funny. I have to do a 720 flip just to make this do a 360 flip.
Harness the power of Cthulhu.
I'm trying to, but my feet hurt.
There you go.
I think it's because I weigh too much.
This is the most absurdly heavy jacket. As much as I want to skate these shoes a lot,
Yeah.
we do need to think of some indestructible tests to put it through.
Well, he could jump off the Braille drop.
Can I just kick you as hard as I can and see what the damage report is?
Sure.
I got some tests for you.
Okay, good.
Land the tray flip, do a trick down the 3, do a trick down the 5, and then the mini ramp, and then we're gonna indestructibilize them. See what they can, you know, endure.
What's going on? Well, that escalated quickly.
Yeah, but Taekwondo, they just gave you for how long you went.
What is going on over here?
Line X shoes. Too good, too good. Wow.
The hardest thing. I had to do something completely different from a traditional tray flip, if that makes any sense.
No, thanks though. Oh, you're giving them to Luke now? We need a hammer, nails, fire. What else? Saw.
Oh,
Every time, dude. Both sides.
wow. That smell.
Yeah, let's see. Well, they've already lasted through the Cthulhu foot acid. Still intact. They are indestructible shoes.
Got it.
We're gonna fight each other. Our fight will be on pay-per-view soon, guys. Me versus Luke. We're gonna put a ring in here. Oh, an octagon. And the first person to survive wins.
So they can be like zombies or something?
No, it's just me and Luke.
Oh.
And one of us will not leave the ring alive. Got him. What did the purple grape say to the green grape?
I don't know.
Breathe! No, wait, I messed that up.
I got one, okay. What did the walrus say to the other walrus?
We're walruses. What's happening?
I'm just about to shred it up right now. That's what's happening. All fun and games.
Leave your best joke in the comments below. We'll pick one winner, hashtag notification squad, and we'll send you a special prize. Let's go.
They're slippery. Wow, that is so weird. 1 to 5.
Yeah, the 5. Technically, it's a 4 stair at this point.
It's a 4.5.
With a splinter gap.
If you don't land it, you just get hit by nails.
Wow.
That was the scariest thing I've ever seen. Except for Luke on the moon shoes. If you haven't seen that video, you're missing out.
Good times, good times.
Straight to the mini ramp. I love him trying to run.
It's like ice. Wow, that was smooth.
These are slippery.
Impressive.
He just straight killed it. Straight killed it.
The mini ramp bro.
The mini ramp bro. You rock, dude.
Damn, son.
I think you could get them on now. They're pretty flat.
You're a size 8. I'm a size 10.
Aaron, you got
They're
it.
size 10.
There you go, Aaron. You got it. You got it.
No,
Keep pushing.
they're not even
keep
close.
pushing.
They're
Keep
not even
pushing.
close.
Keep pushing. You got it. Yeah!
I'm so proud of him. This is a beautiful moment.
Harder, Aaron. Come on. Force it in there. Go. Push it.
Swaggin' AF, just want to say.
Oh my God. Hey, bro. You look stylish. Dang. Las Vegas ain't ready for you,
Let's go.
bro.
Whoa! What? It like sort of goes, and then I brand it, and it pops. Oh no, it's raining. Somebody get a car. A better question is, what are we not gonna do? What are you doing? Get in here.
Oh, this is comfy AF.
Don't try this at home. If you ever lie next to your shoes, yeah, I'm ready.
Dude, work.
Start it.
You gotta go fast. Dude, you're chilling.
Okay, go. Start out slow.
Hit it.
Go.
There we go.
Oh, we're in full slide. Please don't hit a crack. Oh, this is really working. Look at that freestyle. You can go faster, Gabe. Faster. Faster. Open it up, Gabe. Okay, slow down. I know there's a crack over here. Wow.
That was amazing. Whoa, where's he going?
There's nothing. Not even a scratch. Yeah, you can go faster.
Hey everyone, I'm just cruising. Oh, it closed on me! Ah! Gabe! The door is closed! Hey! Enough of that! Stop! Ah! Mom, pick me up right now, Mom! Ah! Okay, we're good. That was scary. It's raining.
Go!
Faster!
Oh, we're going. We are flying right now. Oh, we go. Oh, God. This is gnarly, dude.
Speed it up!
Faster! Go! There you go!
Uh-oh.
Oh, my God. Oh. One more time, go!
Yeah, hauling right.
Oh my goodness! Yeah, they're smoking right now. They're smoking. Oh! You gotta try this, man. It's fun.
Oh!
Okay. Oh, stop! Go. Tell him stop!
Stop!
Ah!
Hey, be careful. I'm still back here. This thing. Ah, it closed again. Hey everyone, this is a 24-hour challenge in Gabe's car, and he's sliding away right now, but it's chilling. It's comfortable back here. You know, if I'm thirsty, I got some water. It did hit my head. That kind of hurt, but it's okay. We got a light. Ow! That's what I hit my head on. Hey, thanks, Gabe. That was a fun time.
One of the dumbest things I've ever done, but it's stupid fun, man. Yeah, that was smoke from the bottom, dude. It was so much like...
You're like barely damaged at all.
Barely damaged at all? Yeah, you're right. Literally. Well, except for right here on the side. Starting to come apart a little bit. How fast are you going, Gabe?
Well, no, I went like 20. I was scared, dude.
Okay, so that wear test, they held up pretty good, but I'm not sure if they're gonna make it through the next one. I have a few more tests in mind. Let's go.
Aaron, what are you thinking? Anything that involves bungee scares me now.
Yeah, me too.
You look really nice in those shoes, Carlos.
you, man.
I'm also very glad I didn't kill you. I was very scared.
We gotta launch the shoes, what do you mean?
How are you gonna launch? You know what? Here, allow me.
Tie them to the bungee.
All right, let's go.
I like this idea. This makes me excited. You need some string?
Make sure you get the angles right.
Yeah, you shh. They are only shoes, so I don't think anything too bad will happen. Maybe I shouldn't say anything.
be ready
Damn
to-
it. Yeah.
What is that? What just happened?
How am I gonna tie these?
You know what would be great for the wear test is they fly up this and just hit right here.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Just do minor. 2, 1.
Now we gotta do the major test.
What are you doing?
It's all the way in here.
It's all the way in here.
Snowman's about to take a shoe in the face right now.
Defender of the ceiling.
Way to drop kick a
Do well.
snowman.
We love you.
Snowman's taking one.
First try, hit the snowman.
What do I get?
Large Jamba Juice.
Deal.
What happened?
Made the craziest noise. Yeah, that sounded like.
It ripped the bungee, dude. Or like the part that was hooked onto the shoes.
Yeah.
Did it damage the ceiling?
No. You missed the snowman entirely.
It hit so hard it cracked the line.
It started to pull this off, actually.
Oh, it hit the rail, Aaron.
Well, that wear test is good. Let's go to the next one.
That rain messed up my hair. I love a good bungee video in the morning.
Oh, wow. That protected it really well.
If your feet were in there, you would have been totally fine.
Could have been toast.
You would have been totally fine.
Straight through.
Failed the pickaxe test. Let's try the saw blade test. It's literally impenetrable.
Wait a second. You could probably have a whole shoe outline.
Okay, you work on that. I'll do the next wear test. All right, wear test number 18. Not the bad. It was so satisfying.
Oh, yes.
His toe barely sticks out.
They have breathability.
He just turned it into a chancla. That's what it is.
Now I'll never get a hole.
Toss me the other one, Fetty. The world's
Put some
most
FP insoles in these and
uncomfortable house slippers.
lie next.
You just get home after a long day. Ugh. Watch all the other videos right there. They are the absolute best. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Good enough.